In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project or just experimenting, flipping an image is a handy skill to have. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you regularly use to access the web. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Then, hit Enter. This search will bring up the Google Docs homepage, which is where we want to go next. With the homepage open, you'll need to click on the link to access Google Docs. If you're not already logged into your Google account, the system will prompt you to do so. Go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your documents. Once you're in, you have the option to open an existing document if you have one in mind. If not, creating a new document is also a breeze. Simply click on the plus button to start a new blank document where you can follow along with this tutorial. Inside your document, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the page and click Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, navigate to Drawing and select New. This action will open a drawing dialog box where you'll be doing the majority of your image editing. Next up, locate the image icon in the drawing toolbar. Click on it to upload your image. You can choose to upload an image from your computer, which is perfect if you've got something saved locally. Alternatively, you can paste an image from your clipboard by right-clicking and choosing the paste option, or just using the Ctrl+V shortcut if you're on a PC. Once your image is in the drawing canvas, click on it to ensure it's selected. You'll notice a blue outline around the image, indicating that it's ready for the next step. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the drawing window again. Click on Actions, which brings down another menu. From this menu, hover over Rotate. You'll see options for either flip horizontally or flip vertically. Depending on the effect you're going for, choose the appropriate option. Flipping horizontally will mirror the image from left to right, while flipping vertically will do so from top to bottom. After making your choice, the final step is to save your changes. Simply click the Save and Close button located at the top right of the drawing window. Your flipped image will now appear right there in your Google Doc, exactly as you wanted it. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to flip an image in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process once you know where to find everything. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.